Hi, boys and girls. Hope you're having a good day so far. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, and we're going to do math. For your math, you need, so those of you who are at home, e-learners, you're going to need to tear this page out. 223, 224, 225, 226. So it's like this. 223, 224, 225, 226. Okay? It has like a bridge on the front. We haven't been using our math book very much lately. So you can either pause and tear that out or tear it out in just a little bit. We're working on using a number line. On your paper it has a number line. I drew one here. When you're at school, if you come to school, on your desk you probably have a number line. Also, at home maybe somebody at home has a ruler, and a ruler you could use as a number line. Okay? So, today our paper has a number line on it, but when you're doing other things at home, you could get out a ruler to use as a number line. When we are using a number line to add, we're still going to start with the bigger number. Okay, for right now, I just want you watching and listening. Okay? Okay, we're just going to do a few examples together. So, looking at the number line, let's say we have the problem. I'm going to look at the paper really quick. Sorry. Okay, all right. Let's say we have the problem 7 plus 3. Okay, we probably already know how to count on, but I want to show you how to use the number line when we're doing bigger numbers. Okay, so 7 plus 3, we're still going to start with the bigger number, 7, and we're going to get bigger. We're going to be going towards bigger numbers, right? Because we're adding, and then the answer is going to be bigger. So when we use a number line, we start at the bigger number, which is 7, and we're going to count on 3. So 1, 2, 3. The answer is 10. Make sure that you don't say 1, 2, 3, because then you'd be on 9. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. Try not to erase my number line. Okay, let's try again. Let's try 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Still start with the bigger number, 5. So starting with 5, as we move, we're moving 3 spots. Okay? So 5, we're starting here, starting at 5. So as we move, we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Landed on 8. You count as you move, not when you first start. Let's try. Let's do 9 plus 2. Starting with 9, moving 2 spots, counting on. So, starting with 9 here, and we say 1, 2, 11. Let's do one more. let's do 2 plus 8. Okay? Starting with the bigger number 8. Okay? Starting with 8, we're going to move it 2 times. 1, 2. We landed on 10. I'm going to show you how to do it on here. So let's say the problem is 4 plus 3. Okay, we're going to start on the 4. 4 plus 3. We're going to count on 3 of them. So 4 plus 3, 4 here. So 1, I'm on 5. 2, I'm on 6. 3, I'm on 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So make sure as you move it, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I mean you could do it on this side, the metric side. 8 plus 3. Starting on 8, 1, 2, 3. 11. Let's practice on our paper. Before we get started on our paper, we're going to watch a little video. On the video, they say the numbers as they're going. Okay, so like they would say 8, they'd say 9, 10. And so you could do it that way. You just have to make sure you have moved 2 spots. Scooting over to the smartboard so we can watch the video on using a number line.
Use a number line to add. You can use a number line to
turn it up.
To find 5 plus 3, start with the greater number and count on.
Stop at 5. Count on. 6, 7, 8.
So they moved 3 spots.
5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's use the number line again to add. This time, let's add 2 plus 6. Since we start with the greater number, let's find 6 on the number line. Now we count on 2 more. 7, 8.
So
2
1
plus 6
2
equals 8.
Okay. Now we're going to have our paper. Our paper like this. Use a number line to add. So 223, 224, which is on the back, 225, and 226. We're going to do the bridge. Okay. A car is driving across the bridge and it lands on 4. So we're going to put 4 and then it moves 3 spaces. Okay, so start on the 4 and we're going to move 3 spaces. So we say 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 is, what did we land on? 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Let's turn the page here. You underline what it says here. You can use a number line to add, right? Start with the greater number and count on by moving to the right. Greater number means the bigger number. Okay, so 5 plus 3, so they started with 5. Let's trace over. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, we're going to do these together. So use the number line to add, show your work. So you need to show how you're using the number line on these. So 6 plus 2, where are we going to start? Starting with the 6. Everybody is doing this. Everybody is showing how you add using a number line. So 6 plus 2, starting with the 6, and we're going to move 2 spots. So starting with the 6, and say 1, 2. Where did we land? 8. 8 plus 2. Where are we going to start? The bigger number, greater number, 8. We're moving 2. So 8. Here we're going to say 1, 2. We landed on the 10. 1 plus 4. Where are we going to start? And I know this is an easy problem, but as we start doing harder problems, you might want to use your number line. And so now is the easy time to learn it. Okay, 1 plus 4, starting on the 4 and going 1, 1, 5. 7 plus 2, starting with 7 and counting on 2. 1, 2. Where did we land? On the 9. Counting on using the number line. You are going to do all of these on your own. It has a number line there if you need it. Okay? But you can either pause and do that or wait, because we're going to go on to the back. On the back, the story problem, Emilio. Emilio saw 5 bikes. His brother saw 2 bikes. How many bikes did they see in all? Okay, Emilio saw 5 bikes, so we're going to start on 5. And then we're going to move 2 times. Okay, so starting on 5, 1, 2. And we landed on 7. They saw 7 bikes in all. Number 19, Liz saw 8 pigeons. Logan saw 1 fewer pigeon than Liz. How many pigeons did they see in all? Okay, so Liz saw 8 pigeons. Logan saw 1 fewer than Liz did. So what's 1 fewer? 1 less, 1 smaller. So he saw 7. So let's just write this down. 8, because Liz saw 8, plus 7 equals, we can use our number line. Well, they didn't have a number line long enough. Okay, 8 plus 7. Let's see if you know. I'm going to draw little pictures to go with it. I'm just going to draw circles. So Liz saw 8. If you're at school, you could use your number line. Okay, plus 7. I'm going to do 7 over here. How many did they see all together? We have to count all of them together. But we could still kind of count on. We know this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pigeons in all. That's a lot of pigeons. Okay, why do you start with the greater number when adding on a number line? Why do you think if the problem was 7 plus 2, why would we start on 7 and not 2? Because It's less to count on. So that's what we're going to say. Why do you start with the greater number when adding on a number line? It is less to, not that it's T-O, count on. Period. It is less to count on. If it was 7 plus 2, you'd only have to move it 2 times. If you started at 2 and then you had to go up 7, that's a lot more to count on. Okay, it is less to count on. I'm just kind of giving you some time to write out the sentence. Okay, pause if you need to. When you're using the number line, remember that as you move, that's how you're counting. You don't say, if it's 5 plus 2, you don't say 1 when you put your pencil on the 5. It's as you move it, you say 1. As you move. Okay? So we'll be using, especially in my class, we'll be talking about using your number line a lot this year as we're getting into harder addition problems. So I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to do the rest of that page. Okay? I will see you guys tomorrow.